If you're here, it means something broke. A woman left. A plan failed. A part of you is gone. But here's the truth no one tells you. A Stoic doesn't try to erase pain. He uses it. This is how Stoicism turns heartbreak into power, and how it'll rebuild you into the man you were meant to be. You were rejected, betrayed, maybe blindsided, but according to Epictetus, the pain isn't the problem. Your thoughts about the pain are. Pain is a teacher. It reveals who you are when everything is taken away. Marcus Aurelius said, if you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it. Greater than the Stoics divided life into two parts. 1. What you can control. 2. What you cannot. You can't control her feelings. You can't control the past. But you can control how you rise from it. This is where most men get stuck. They beg for closure, instead of building a new self. Modern culture tells men to express everything. But a Stoic man doesn't express blindly. He disciplines his emotions. Emotional control is not weakness, it's power. Every time you resist the urge to text her, you win. Every time you choose silence over reaction, you grow. This is self-mastery. This is what creates strong men. Stoicism isn't just about enduring pain. It's about using it. Use this time to rebuild. Wake up early. Train your body and mind. Study, think, evolve. Don't aim to get her back. Become the man she could never leave again. Or better, the man who wouldn't chase in the first place. Most people drown in heartbreak. Stoics rise from it. If you're serious about healing like a man, not a victim, subscribe. This is Stoic Mindset.